Learn English and Kurdish. Hi guys, today we are going to learn English sentence, English verbs, English phrases, and English words with Kurdish language. If you are ready, let's start together. Please do not forget to subscribe, follow, and share this lesson. In English, to fight. This is a kind of verb. In Kurdish, şarkırın. Kurdi şarkırın, İngilîzî to fight. For example, it fights. In Kurdish, ev şardike. Şarkırın, to fight. In English, to stand. To stand, rabun. The meaning of to stand in Kurdish, rabun. We stand. Radibin. In Kurdish, stand is a kind of irregular verb, so that we change it to write rabun for am. Am means we. Radibin. We stand. To write. Nivîsandin, nivîsin, nivîskirin. All of them the right version of the Kurdish language for nivîsin, nivîsandin, nivîskirin. Evna dinivisin. They write. They write. Evna dinivisin. اولین ایجا از دوباره دکم کون بخیر هاتن سر به قناله. قناله من لسر زمان انگلیزی و کردیه و لازمه پیوسته پشکریا و گلک زور به پر به زیده تر به جبوک و قناله بگیشته همو حوالین ما ایجا. In English to come, in Kurdish هاتن. I come as them. به زمان انگلیزی to go ده و واتای کل سر کردی چون یا جن کارم بیجن چوین چوین به نمونه به میناک you go to the chi you go you is here for singular person you go to the chi. In English, to walk, in Kurdish, meşin. Yan jin dikarim bêjin, meşandin, meşkirin. Bi pê rojtin, ew jî li ser zara wê sorani ye. To walk, we walk. Em dimeşin. To walk. Em dimeşin. To run. Ravin. Rafkirin. Ger و بیر کر کل سر زمانی کردی تشتکی بکنه لیکر مندکارن او لیکر عامی کشتی کرن بینین پاش و کلمه و بوشه او دروه he runs to run ravin. In Kurdish, binin. In English, to bring. You bring. Exactly if you want to use bring in sentence in English, if you use the another subject, you bring it. That means to vi dini, yani to avoid dini. And you bring means to dine. Yes, to dini. To take away. Brin. You take away or you take it away. To vi dibi. You take away. To dibi. You take it away. To vi dibi. Brin. That means to take away. In English, to see. In Kurdish, ditin. You see. Do dibini. Do dibini. Do dibini. Yari tuji widibini. Maybe you know that I think that Shahib Bedo is a kind of singer in Kurdish language. To drink. Vekharın. To drink. Vekharın. I drink it. To vi vedakhi. To drink. I drink. To vedakhi. Please do not forget to subscribe for this channel. To talk. Akhaftin. Qesekirdin. Shurkirin. Khabertkirin. All of them are right in Kurdish language. We talk. Am de akhafin. We talk together. Am bihevra de akhafin. We wanna talk. Am dikhazin be akhafin. To eat. Kharin. Khardin. To eat. Kharin. Khardin. I eat as dikham. I wanna eat as dikhazim bekham. I don't eat as nakham. I eat as dikham. To listen. Behistin. To listen. Behistin. He listens. Ew debize. He listens. Ew debize. To listen. Behistin. Let's learn English and Kurdish together. To sleep. Raketin. Khawketin. Razandin. I sleep as radkevim, as radzim, as khawdkevim. I sleep. To open. Vegirin. Vegirdin. To open. You, that means for plural pronouns. You open. Hun vediken. You means hun. Vediken means open. You open. Hun vediken. Let's repeat them again. In English, it fights أو شردقة. It fights أو شردقة. We stand am radibin. We stand am radibin. They write أو not denivisin. They write أو not denivisin. I come as them. I come as them. You go to the chi. You go to the chi. We walk. I'm the machine. We walk. I'm the machine. He runs. أو درفه. He runs. أو درفه. You bring. To tini. You bring to tini. You take away to dibe. You take away to dibe. You see to dibini. You see to dibini. I drink to vadokhi. I drink to vadokhi. We walk. Am de ageven. Em diaxivin. We walk. We talk. Sorry for that. Not walk, talk. I eat as dikhom. I eat as dikhom. He listens. He listens. Ew dibihîze. He listens. I sleep as radikevim. I sleep as radikevim. You open hun vedikin. Ez gelek spas dikim ji bo temaşakirina we. Bimênin kêf û xêr û xweşî de zor spas bo temaşakirina we. Min zor hêvîdarim ke em qenala bigêjne merheleyekê girîng û bilind. Her stika bedank for your kikin and thank you very much for your watching. û min bi Holandî jî were got bila ew jî nimûne û gotinên bo hediyê bo diyarî ji bo we bibe. See you next lesson.